Yo, what up? Welcome to my crib. Why don't we go inside and see how I, Double C Symbol Monkey, live? This here's the kitchen where me and my homies grab some grub. Let's see what's up in the fridge. Oh yeah! We got my tire swing over there. No respectable monkey would be without one. And over here's where I get my groove on with the ladies. We can sit here, pick ticks off each other while I work my magic. This here is where I keep my rhymes. I call this one my little Chiquita. Well, I hope you enjoyed my crib. Peace out.